Hey everyone, let's see how quick we can get a customer satisfaction survey form going with the new forms feature in SeekBeak. I've got my Outdoor Land company here, and what we do here at Outdoor Land is we have provincial campgrounds and all sorts of outdoor camping activity, and I want to get a gist of how people's camping experiences were at my campground. And of course, this can be applied to anything. This is strictly just a demo. So let's make a new form, and we're going to call this Customer Satisfaction Survey. So I'm going to fill out these details. All right, so I've put in an appropriate title and description, and also a custom confirmation message and a submit button that says submit feedback. Because of the plan I'm on, I'm also able to send out notification emails as soon as these are submitted. So just one team member on my team is going to get an email as soon as the response is submitted. So I'm going to save my changes. There we go. And now let's add some fields. So I'm going to add in multiple choice, which will give us the option to select one of our options. Now let's go, and I'm going to say 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to add another one because, of course, I want this to go a 1 to 5 scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now, how was your trip overall? And if I save this, I don't like this whole kind of stacked number thing. I'm going to want it horizontal, and we can do that by going back here and changing the layout format. So I'm going to say I want that to be inline, and I want it to be required. And now this is looking a little more like I thought. However, I'm going to need to tell them what the scale means, because is 1 the best or is 1 the worst? So we'll go back and we'll change that. Right, so we have 5 is the best, 1 is the worst. Okay, so now, how was your trip overall? I'm going to want to find out some more things about this. So how about general cleanliness? Who doesn't like a general cleanliness question? So I don't want to have to go type all these in again, so I can click the duplicate button and just go change the title. And then I'm going to add in a drop down. So I've changed this now. Would you recommend us to a friend? And it's going to require a response, and they can either pick yes or no. And the final one, I'm going to add in an optional paragraph one that says, do you have any comments or concerns or any general feedback? And you can set how big the text area is going to be. I'll just say 6 rows for now. And there we go. I'm going to save this. We'll check it out in the preview. Of course, 5 is the best. Yes, I would. And no comments. Great. Thanks for your feedback. This all looks great to me. So I'm going to close that, and let's go to our snap here on the campground. So I'm going to add the hotspot right on the door. I'm going to select the form type, and I'm going to pick our customer satisfaction survey, which we had just done. And I'm going to name this to, please leave us some feedback. And save that. And now if I go to the viewing link, this is how your users will view it. We can click this and we get our form to fill out. Yes, I would recommend that. And no, it was great. Submit that. There we go. Now I'm going to pretend I'm somebody else. So I'm going to reload this page. I'm going to say, yes, that was 5, and yes, I would recommend us. And I'm going to submit that. The reason I'm doing this is because I'm going to go back now to reports, and I'm going to say, let's say the form field breakdown report for our outdoor camping group. And now it says pick your form. It's going to be this satisfaction survey form. And I'll just pick today. And look at that. There's all our answers. And you can see that we're split between 50-50 on our overall trips, between a 4 and a 5. Again, a 4 and a 5 for general cleanliness, and 100% of the people said they would recommend us to a friend. And while I was pulling up this report, look what magically appeared in my email inbox. The email response to our customer satisfaction survey, emailed directly to me. So not only do I get immediate email responses, but I have all this historical reporting that I can pull up as well. All sorts of stuff you can do with the reporting, but this gives you a really, really quick and easy way to generate any sort of satisfaction surveys or customer feedback forms and report on them after the fact using SeekBeak Forms.